Hi, this is Zhongli. This video is for TESOL Capstone 2 week 3. It's a grammar lessons. Okay, so today we are going to talk. Today's materials I'll be using will be Canva, PowerPoint, whiteboard and marker, and a class worksheet for class to do at the end of class. And today's lesson objective will be understand the usage of preposition of in, on, and at in various content. By the end of this class, student will correctly apply these prepositions in spoken and written English. So okay, let's start. All right, everyone, when do you use in, on, at? Is it in the night, or on the night, or at night? Which one it is? Then does anyone know? Does anyone know? In the night, yes, that's correct. On the night, yes. To be frankly, the way that we master this is just by speaking a lot and read a lot. But today I'm going to classify this into three categories. First one is more general. In is more general. Number two is quite general for on, and at it's when you use it on a more specific time. Okay. Let's try this one. In. When do you use in? Like, it's when you use in a period of time, like in the year of 2000, this happens. In the year of 2024, this happens. Okay, or I'm born in the 80s, or I'm born in the 90s. It's very general because I'm born in the 80s. It can be like 1981 to 1989. Like, it's very general, all right? Or in the summer. Summer can be in July or August or September. That's why I'm referring is more general. Okay. In December, you know, there are 30 days in December, like very general. We just point out a period of time. Okay. Or in December. All right. So are we clear with the in? So let's move on. On, it's more. It's quite general. It can also be applied to time and date. For instance, on my birthday, like any celebration ending with DAY, like DAY, all right? On my birthday, I made 20 cupcakes, or on Easter Day, all right? Anything with dates. And you can also use it when you talk about a date, like on the 4th of July, we were going to see fireworks. But sometimes you will hear like on May 4th, on July 4th, and we will see a firework. That both work. It's just how British and American use the dates, all right? So I hope you don't get confused. The way that I, you know, when we write the dates, American and British has different writings. If you write numbers, you know, it just get confusing. So I would just put the month like 4th of May, M-A-Y. Then I don't get confused. Or May 4th. I will put May 4th. Okay? So last one. At. It's more specific. Have you heard of ATM? ATM. It's more specific. It's at this moment. At the moment. Alright? Like at night. At Easter, I will go to egg hunting. At. And okay, so let's go further, dig furthermore. Well, when do you use in, on, at places? A lot of you got confused. Can you say in Japan, or at Japan, or on Japan? Do you know when to use it? Just use these three simple rules. General, quite general, like in between, or very specific, you have a date. In we can use in the country, in Japan, all right? We don't say on Japan, all right? Because Japan is really big. When I say generals, it's like, oh, in the house, in the kitchen, in, very general. We don't talk about things like that. Or in the city, in the country, in the city, or in the neighborhood, or enclosed place, like in the house, in the car, okay? Cities will be like in Los Angeles. Neighborhood will be like in this community, something like that, okay? So for aunt, when do we use aunt? It can be used on this street, or on this particular surface, or like on top of the table. I think all of you know that. And also on the street, I found a lot of fallen leaves. So yes, all right.